Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G Pure. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this newsletters and updates window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive Next to Send at the bottom of Motorola G Pure. If you see this kind of pop-up, choose one of those options, Yes I agree or No thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to your Android. On it, you need to tap on all of those dots from all of those categories. So click. And when you're ready, choose Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just tap on the chosen ones, in my case this one, and click on Send as well. Now select Correct in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola, then choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. You can also use this key by selecting Input key section and typing an N. When you're ready, choose Receive in order to connect. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!